Hello students, today we are going to begin with the next topic in singular and plural nouns, that is countable and uncountable nouns. So we are beginning with the countable nouns. So as you all may know that countable nouns are the nouns that can be counted. That means in which we know the quantity and the number of the object. They are termed as countable nouns. The second point in countable noun says that they have both the form singular and plural. That means countable nouns can be in both the form. It can be a singular countable noun or it can be a plural countable nouns. Now, in countable nouns, we used these words. They are and, many, some, any, few, a few. Let me repeat it again. We can use these words in countable nouns. They are and, many, some, any, few, a few. But we have to use these words before the noun. I hope the concept is clear that we have to use these words before the noun. After the noun, we cannot use these words. Some example based on countable nouns are: some books are kept in almirah. So we here in this sentence, books are the noun and we have used some before the noun. So it is a countable noun. In this sentence, though we are not knowing that how many books are there, but there are some books. We cannot define the quantity, but we can count the books in the almirah. Now, second example, an umbrella is kept in the balcony. That means umbrella is the noun in this sentence and an, that is a countable noun, has been used before the noun and it is telling us that an umbrella, that is one umbrella, is kept in the balcony. Now, we are going to begin with the uncountable nouns. So, uncountable nouns are just the opposite of countable nouns. In countable nouns, we can count the object or the things or the quantity. But in uncountable nouns, we cannot count the quantity or the things. That means nouns that we cannot count are termed as uncountable nouns. They are always singular. As you remember that countable nouns can be in both the form. That is, they can be singular and they can be plural. But uncountable nouns always remains in singular form. Now, as we have studied in countable nouns, that there are some words which we can use in countable nouns. Same as in uncountable nouns, there are some words which we can use to show that they are uncountable nouns. Like enough, much, some, any, little, a little, a lot of, plenty of. So these are the words that are used to show the quantity in uncountable nouns. I am going to repeat these words once again. Enough, much, some, any, little, a little, a lot of, plenty of. So these are the words used to indicate the quantity in uncountable nouns. For example, a pinch of salt, that is this much amount of salt, but we cannot count that how many pieces of salt are coming in that pinch. Some food. So here also that there is not defined quantity that how much food is there, but there is some food. So sometimes we count the number of containers which contain these uncountable things to express quantity. As you may have noticed that sometimes we use uncountable uncountable nouns with the countable words to show the quantities or the numbers. So here are some examples based on that point. 2 jugs of water. Water will remain uncountable, but here we have shown the quantity that only 2 jugs of water are there. So in this sentence we can say that we are getting to know that there is a countable noun and there is an uncountable noun too. Second example, 3 packets of salt. So as we all know that salt is an uncountable thing. So we have used 3 packets over here to show the quantity. We cannot define that how many pieces of salt are there in those 3 packets. But in whole quantity we can say that there are 3 packets of salt. Second point is that some and any can be used in both noun. For example, some books, some water. So here, book is a countable thing. So we have used some over here. But we see in this example that we have used some for uncountable noun too. So this statement is saying that we can use some and any for both type of noun, whether it is countable noun or an uncountable noun. But how we can detect that which one is countable noun and which one is uncountable noun? So with the help of the given noun in the statement or the sentence, we can define that it is a countable noun or it is a uncountable noun. For example, here it is written that book. So as we all know that we can count the books. So this is the example of countable nouns. Now here the noun is water. So water is an uncountable thing. So this example is of uncountable noun. Now we are going to see some examples of uncountable noun and their uses. First is bread. So we can use for bread a loaf of bread or a slice of bread to show that they are uncountable nouns. Furniture. For furniture we can use a piece of furniture or a lot of furniture. So these were the important points which we have to keep in mind while using or while stating about countable or uncountable nouns. So with this topic we have completed our second chapter of English grammar, that is singular and plural nouns.